In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover effects to Squarespace images. Let's dive right into it. To begin, we'll need to access a tool that makes this process a breeze. Head over to the Common Ninja website. It's an excellent resource for adding a variety of widgets to your website with ease. Once you're on Common Ninja's homepage, locate and click on the section labeled Widgets Plus. This area is dedicated to offering a plethora of varied widgets that you can incorporate into your site, each designed to help enhance both functionality and visual appeal. Using the search function within Widgets Plus, type in Image Hover Effects. This specific widget will enable you to add dynamic hover effects to your Squarespace images, a great way to engage users and enhance aesthetics. Now, click on the option that says Image Hover Effects. This selection will provide you with a library of potential effects you can use. Next, click on Create an Image Hover Effects. This step initiates the creation process, allowing you to customize how your image will appear and behave when interacted with. The following step is crucial. You'll need to add an image. Click on Add an Image and then upload the image you wish to apply hover effects to. Here's a simple tip. Ensure your image is of high quality and properly sized for the best visual result. After your image has been uploaded successfully, navigate over to the Effects option. This is where the magic happens. When you click on Effects, you'll be able to choose from a lineup of different hover effects. Take your time to explore them, trying out different styles until you find the perfect one that suits your slideshow or presentation needs. The next action is straightforward. After selecting your desired effect, go ahead and click on Publish to finalize your choices. After publishing, save your progress by clicking on Save Widget. Now, it's vital to stay organized, so be sure to select a folder to store your saved widget. Keeping organized will make it easier for you to locate and manage your effects in the future. Once you've saved your changes, click on Copy Code. This code is your key to embedding the widget into your Squarespace site. With that code in hand, go over to your Squarespace website editor and click on Add Block. Within the options presented, select Embed. To edit your choice, click on Edit, followed by selecting Code Snippet. This will enable you to insert a piece of external code into your site, allowing the hover effect to function. Go on. Click on Embed Data and then choose to add code. Here you will paste the embed code you copied earlier. Finally, once everything looks good, remember to click Save. Your site should now be enhanced with a professional-looking image hover effect that captivates and retains user interest. And that's it! You've successfully added image hover effects to your Squarespace site.